one-pot cheeseburger pasta. Hello and Happy New Year, everyone! We made it! Today we're making something that I typically don't make, and that's a one-pot meal. Nothing against them, I just have not seen one that I wanted to make until now. This is a ButcherBox recipe. It was randomly emailed to me, and I saw it and I was like, oh, that actually looks pretty decent. And now it's in my regular rotation. So first, let's brown 1 pound of ground beef. ButcherBox, of course. Not Spawn. Once it's browned, add 1 chopped onion. I did a medium one, and mix it in. Add your seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon ground mustard, 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder, some salt and pepper. Mix it all in. Then add 1 cup Primal Kitchen Ketchup. This was my first time actually using this, and even though I really just don't like ketchup because it's boring and for 6-year-olds, this was actually really good. Less sweet, what I imagine, real ketchup tastes like, for adults. And this will be the only ketchup I use from now on. Regular ketchup will work fine. Mix in and cook for a few minutes. Now add 2 cups of uncooked pasta. I used elbows because the recipe said elbows. Then add 2 cups of beef broth. Mix. Cover, cook for 20 minutes on medium-low. Halfway through, check on it and give it a mix. Once the pasta is fully cooked, add 1.5 cup of your cheese of choice, freshly grated of course. I use sharp cheddar because I'm a sharp cheddar boy. Mix until all the cheese is melted and becomes one combined mess of delicious. And now you're ready to serve. If you want to make it more like a burger, you can add shredded lettuce and diced tomatoes. And I can confirm that it's actually really good with the extra stuff. So now you can throw out that box of hamburger helper and make a much better fresh version by yourself. I mean, don't throw it out if you already have it, like you bought it, but you know what I mean. Don't waste food. But if you have a little extra time, because this is ready in maybe twice the amount of time the box takes, and it tastes way better. Next time you're in the store, leave the box and make it fresh. That's it for this episode, and I'll see you all real soon. Twitch streams coming soon!